In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set alarm on an Android phone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Clock app. If you do not have Clock app icon on your home screen, like in my case, then just swipe up to go to the app library. Here we can easily find Clock app. You can swipe left or right until you find it, and also you can use search. Just tap right here and enter Clock at the search box. That's how we can easily find the app, and now I'm going to tap right here to open it. Here, as you can see, I have an alarm. It is not actually active now, and by tapping right here at this plus, we can create new one. At the top here, we can, by dragging it up or down, set the time for our alarm in that way. Also, we can switch it between AM and PM. Down below here, we can also use all of these options to configure our alarm. Here we can select the days of week in which the alarm will be active. Let's say I'm gonna set it to weekdays. Also here we can customize alarm sound. We can just tap right here, then ringtone, and then we can choose different one. Also we can change volume level for that ringtone, and also we can activate this option or not. Here also, if we go back to that options, we can activate or deactivate vibration, and also we can configure snooze option. And then if you would like to change your alarm background, you can easily do so right from here as well. Just tap on it, hit background, and then you can use any image from featured. And also you can use any picture from, let's say, your gallery. Then just we can drag it until we find any image we would like to use, let's say that one. And after that, to set it as a background for the alarm, just hit right here at done. Now guys, once you've configured your alarm, don't forget to hit right here at save. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.